also like staying here, but it is also nice to explore the close places. It is very nice.
Maybe a Nosmitsa or something like this. Yeah, it's good weather, not that hot yet, but yes. Or maybe to the sea.
Have a massage in Nova Gorica, and then I will go to my boyfriend that he lives close to Udine, and that's all. Yeah.
No, I'm here for holidays and I'm looking for what can happen here. I'm from Barcelona. I want to visit museums, but today they are closed most of the museums, so I want to go to Risorgimento Museum.
I come from Bari.
From Bari.
Yes, we are in travel here.
I have a wedding in Tuscany.
Maybe go to Barcola. Yeah, to sunbathe a bit. And yeah.
Barcola, work Barcola, and I think a little bit of sport, and that's it.